What? It's Valentine's Day. Haven't I seen love before? What? It's Valentine's Day? I didn't know. It was Valentine. Yeah, dude. I don't have a. Yeah, dude. I don't have a Valentine's Day. What? I don't even have a Valentine. I wish we could have a new student. I think we have to, but I think we have a new student today. I don't know if we are, but I don't have a Valentine too. Okay, don't say Valentine's Day. Don't kiss me. Don't anything. No gay stuff. And you're a new student. Her name's Brittany. Hey. You sit in that kiss spot. Teacher, there's a hat. Twinkie at a desk. Be quiet. You can eat it if you want. I'm not eating that. Guys, she's so hot. I really want to have it. Could anybody help me? Oh, I got a good idea. Yes, there we go. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Wow, that was done. Okay, now I'm going to give you Brittany. I got a note for her. Oh, you got a note for me? Thank you. Oh gosh, she gave me a note for me too. Oh, see this. That's a whole bunch of pictures. It's weird. Ooh, or else, I got a good idea. Hey, Cody, you know that size cake, right? Well, yeah. Yeah, he's good. And you can make a love potion to love. So it can love. So she can be in love with me. Well, I don't know if I do, but I actually do. You do? Okay, just give it to me. Blah, 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 blah. Hey, Keith, I got a jewelry box. God, Sophia, I love you. I love you so much. Love you. Junior, can you see this cool stuff? No, Junior, no. No, Junior, no. He's a little Jeffrey now. They should have had her. Well, I guess we have to go home. Oh, hi, Daddy. Oh, hi, Jeffrey. How was school? Oh, it's great. I got a girlfriend. What, you got a girlfriend? Daddy, she's hot as heck. No, you don't have a hot either. A girlfriend. Daddy, you're just jealous. Well, yeah, I kind of am. Good, but if I come over with you. Yeah, sure. Here she, Daddy. Whoa, you already have a girlfriend? Are you jealous, Daddy? Well, kind of. Jeffrey, what did we make out? Tell me. Jeffrey, Jeffrey. You're not with your butt. Yes, I am. Daddy, could we get some cookies? Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you. Jeffrey, Daddy. Oh, good. Where's all that? Think you can do this? Yeah, you just have to put your hand up. Just have to put your hand up and then smack. And then smack. Oh, that was really cool. I love that. Ding dong. Yeah, hello. Yeah, you know the potion what about him earlier? Yeah. Um, she is she. If you have that potion, she can turn it. What? Well, you use lizard, dragons, salamanders, everything that has water, juice, and this dragon. I don't know what that's gonna happen, but I don't know if that's gonna happen, but okay. Well, didn't like that much food. Oh my god, I did not like that much. Like it's so good. Jeffrey, I got your cookies done. Where'd you go for? Do you break off? Yeah, Daddy, I'm okay. Do you have like cookies? Yeah, I have the cookies. They're over there on the table. Okay, thanks, Daddy. I should have had a girlfriend, but I couldn't have a girlfriend anyway. Well, I'm gonna make a note for Brittany and then I don't know. I guess this is gonna work. Let's do the same note again. Okay, what's this straw? Okay, now I'm done with this paper. Now I'm going to send it to her. Hey, yeah, I got a note for you. Thank you. See what it says. Hey, Brittany, I was seriously up to 17 and you're like probably 8 or something, so just back off. Well, I thought that was gonna work, but don't do that. Hey, Jeffrey. Yeah, do you have any girlfriends? Um, I don't think I do, but you got a job? Yeah, sure. Okay, I'll go first. And I'll get out. Yeah. Okay. This is very cool. This is my house I have here. Whoa, Jeffrey, that's so cool. Why I get some candy for some people? Yeah, sure, but we just mail this to Brittany. Hey, Brittany. Yeah, I got it for you. Thank you. So we got that. I'm gonna get some water. We're gonna get some water over there. Guess with this water, I'm gonna drink some. Whoa. Okay, now I'm gonna drink some. Ah, yeah, that was really good. I'll put this water back. was very first, okay? I'm very first late. Valentine's Day. Piano. Hey dude, I got a Valentine's party tonight. You wanna come? Yeah, sure. It's gonna be awesome. So we're gonna come right now? Sure. Let's wait here. Jeffy. Jeffy? Oh, hey. Where you are? I gotta go to this party today. Or, yeah, I guess. We have school today. Oh yeah, but we gotta go to school. Come on. It's cold. It, well, okay, class. This should be Valentine's Day. So today is St. Patrick's Day, and so today they will read pitched. Okay, today is picture day, and everybody have to take a picture. And I got some mac and cheese here, so I don't think that will work. Okay, bye guys. Daddy? Yeah. Can you make some mac and cheese? Yeah, sure. It's right here. I was about to eat mine, but here you go. Thank you, Daddy. It's a good mac and cheese. There, Daddy. Alright, real good. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you want more Lisa's Toy Box videos, please subscribe. Bye!